I'll always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Summers are here and oftentimes India's summers can get very harsh. Hence, it is necessary to take care of both our home and ourselves. The idea here is to make minor but mindful changes in our routine. Gentle but thorough care of our belonging for its usage next season. Getting the aircon serviced and cleaning the filter is one such ritual that I like to do every single summer. In Mumbai, mostly it's summers only. Our AC gets serviced twice to thrice a year. But cleaning of the filter becomes almost a monthly thing for me. Lighter colors brings coolness and breeziness into the atmosphere. I have chosen this sheer curtains to go in my living room. Cleaning of the fans also becomes a part of monthly care of the home. I personally feel that this season is ever so soft reminder to go natural, light and breezy as much as possible. And we can easily achieve this through indoor plants, natural soft light color materials and prints, including fresh fruits and cool drinks in our daily life.
Spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV on the.
Our green babies also need a lot of care. Reason: the sun has shifted and changed its path. For us, in this home, winter time we receive a lot of sunlight, while summers and very less sunlight.
I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet.
Watering plants daily, changing the direction of the plants, and taking out dead leaves, regular misting, all these help in promoting better growth to our green babies. To avoid the problems of dehydration, adding water bottles in high traffic area or places where we sit most will be a great idea. Summer naturally calls for lighter bedding. The lighter colors makes you feel cool and calm. Though my choices are always of light colors, summers are little extra special. I like to wash all my AC quilts and blankets and store them away in these vacuum bags with lots of silica gel sachets. Though I have multiple cotton and linen clothes in my closet, but my most favorite of them is those old, extremely old, washed set of clothes which have become so soft and gentle. वो बिल्कुल घिसे हुए जो कपड़े होते हैं That's my favorite to wear on harsh summer days.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time
I often tell Anshuman that this home and especially this kitchen serves two purposes. One, of course, it brings delicious food for all of us, and second, it becomes my working space as well. Luckily, we have a small little fan here which keeps me cool during extremely hot days.
do you feel like we got something strong?
Creating dedicated space in the freezer for all delicious frozen ice creams and sorbets for upcoming summer was a very important ritual in our home. I also added couple of ice trays.
Last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you.
I recently came across this viral hummus board recipe, and it is just simple hummus, but I wanted to take it a notch above and pair it with a couple of other things. I'm making homemade hummus with very little oil using maximum aquafaba or the liquid from the chickpeas.
It's a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here.
Toasting the boiled chickpeas with salt and olive oil and little bit of spices is one of our favorite snacks to munch on. It's delicious, and let me tell you, it's addictive.
And the truth may come as a surprise that we
I like all the recipes in summer, especially where I do not have to stand in front of the gas stove, as the ceiling fan works or the gas stove works. They both do not go hand in hand. I am roasting some cherry tomatoes with little bit of garlic, salt and olive oil. I'll also make this jaggery lemonade.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
The difference between food outside and food at home is the spices that we use. If you get a chance to buy sumac, zatar and smoked paprika, then your Middle Eastern food will taste exactly like any of the restaurants. Do not forget to check the description box for any special tips on these recipes.
And the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
The last ingredient that I want to make for this hummus board is labane. Labane is nothing but garlicky hung yogurt spread, which is super creamy and decadent.
Time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you.
And the final thing that needs to go in the oven is these za'atar breads. These are simple oats roti with za'atar and olive oil and salt mix.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder.
This is my happy time, replying to all your comments and seeing what all you liked about the video.
If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder. A little harder. If I love a little harder.
This hummus board turned so delicious, but at the same time, it was delight to just look at it.
If I love a little harder.
All I want in this whole life, a little red house and a country wife, a picnic table out on the lawn, a couple of kids and a couple of dogs. Work all day to 5:30, a chain link fence and a gravel drive, the wind chime ringing on my front porch, a brand new carpet on every floor, and a rope swing tied around a limb of a tall oak tree.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.
Microwave, dishwasher too. The folks say hi when they pass on the street. A clean pair of socks every day of the week. A big soft chair for when I'm old. Tackle box and fishing pole. I don't